Hey guys, Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and check this bill out. I was looking through my $20 bills and look at what I found. Guys, if you don't know, this is called a trinary bill, a trinary note. And what that is, it's when the serial number right there has only 3 numbers in it. We have a 6, a 4, and a 0. And these, depending on condition, can be worth some good money. So I thought I'd share that with you. Search for the trinary notes, guys. And if you're lucky, you'll find a binary note, which is just 2 numbers. And this was almost that. Minus the 0, if that 0 was a 4, then this would have been a binary note worth even more. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I'll see you next time. Peace.